She washed her face with this, and her husband could not believe how young he looked. We all want to look radiant and youthful skin no matter how old we are. Unfortunately, over the years, sun exposure, use of cosmetics, poor diet, hormonal changes and many other factors make our skin lose elasticity, firmness and start to look prematurely wrinkled. In the market there are products dedicated to this purpose, but many times we do not get the desired results. Unfortunately, these also contain harmful chemicals and could also cost us a lot of money. It is for this reason that we bring you a completely safe and efficient home remedy, which will help you solve the health problems in your skin and will make you look younger in a short time. Believe it or not, this is a powerful blend capable of erasing scars, blemishes and treating acne. Sodium bicarbonate is a deodorant, excellent exfoliant, whitens to the teeth and regulates the pH of the skin. For its part, coconut oil nourishes and thanks to its high healing power, it fights bacteria that could cause huge mud. In addition, it is so effective that it can even be used as a mouthwash. But to see amazing results on your face you just have to combine these two ingredients. Mode of use. The amount of baking soda and coconut oil to use will depend on your skin type. For example, if your skin is fat, use a spoonful of coconut oil mixed with a spoonful of baking soda, in equal parts. If your skin is dry or normal, just use a spoonful of coconut oil with half a teaspoon of baking soda. You can then vary the amount depending on the results. Apply this remedy once a week, but if your skin is too fat, use it twice a week.